Welcome. When ordering employee rewards, you can pay by bank transfer or card. In this video, we'll walk you through paying by card. Let's get started. To order Swirl gift cards, go to the home page. Click Order Now and select Pay by Card to access the order form. First, fill in your company details, including your CRO number. This is your company's registration number, which you can quickly find on the core website. If you don't have a CRO number, just choose your entity type and add the relevant number. To ensure fast and accurate delivery, please double-check that all details are correct before submitting your order. Next, enter the card quantities and amounts, select a delivery method, and add any special requests. Please note that delivery is available as a bulk option only. This means all items in your order will be shipped together in one convenient delivery. At the bottom, let us know how you heard about us. If you select Other, please be specific. Finally, accept the terms and conditions. And then hit Submit. Please enter your card details. Ensure the card used for payment is linked to your mobile number, as you'll receive a 6-digit SMS code for verification. Next, enter your verification code and click Pay to complete your order. A confirmation screen will appear to let you know everything went through successfully. Your invoice will be emailed to you as soon as your order is processed. And just like that, you're done. Ordering with Swirl is fast, simple,